Nike Air Force One Tiffany. So Tiffany's been around since what, 18, what does that say? Oh, 1837. Tiffany Company is a classic American brand, I think. And they make sterling silver stuff, they make gold things and all types of jewelry, higher price points, all that stuff. You can go in there and cop a lot of beautiful things, and those beautiful things have this color blocking that is classic. Nike has never officially collaborated with them, but there's the Tiffany Dunks, there's the Tiffany Dunk High Low, whatever you want to call them. There's been Tiffany colored sneakers out there with diamond aesthetics that, you know, just kind of borderly infringement line a little bit. But this one is a straight up collab, and they did it real justice. And I appreciate the shoe for the quality. I appreciate the color blocking. I appreciate that they took elements of I think they used sterling silver, the Tiffany silver on the you know, Air Force One label and all that type of stuff. Beautiful shoe, high quality. They put at a good price point. It was $400, so it's not really that unattainable, but it was limited at the same time. Now they're going for a little over $1,000 in some sizes, which is fair. I think that you know, it's a luxury good, a good collaboration, got a nice box, all that type of stuff. So you can go get it if you want it. Me personally, I'm not an Air Force One guy like that, but I would get them if I had the money, and one day I will if I so choose to. But that shoe definitely deserves a shout out, honorable mention, and if you got it and wear it proudly. It's a nice piece of footwear.